Hi everyone, today we're checking out the song Fire Song from the movie Kanguva. We already checked it out. It's Surya. It's actually on 23 July. It was the Surya's birthday. So we wish him a very happy birthday.
Yeah.
So they released this song on his birthday. We're gonna do it. Yeah, let's see what it's all about.
Sure. Here we go.
Calm your mind with chakra-based meditation music. Saregama Karwa Wellness.
It's a B or something.
Yeah, left, right, left, right.
Nerupe. Oh.
Ooh. Okay.
This looks wow. Yame. What happened? The connection. You can do this, but look at him. Huh.
Oh, wow. Here we go again. Oof. Hold on.
Wow, Surya.
Kanguva will be a killer movie.
I can't believe this man is 49 years old.
49?
Yeah. You have no business being so hot at this age. You cannot. You can't simply do it.
What a character in the movie. Wow.
And with the hair.
Yeah, with the hair all tight. And that.
My favorite Surya look ever.
Really?
I think there was one song I loved his look, but this is so masculine, so tough. I loved it. With the long hair.
But yeah, wow. If I want to talk about the beat, beautiful.
fire beat.
Adrenaline 100.
Yeah. Fire
If I
song.
wanna talk the choreography, we did
It was a
we did
snippet.
catch a bit, but truly beautiful. Like they are preparing for war, like they are ready to go and fight and everything with their leader.
Can't wait to watch the movie. This song is really fire and it makes you more excited to watch the movie. I
Yeah.
love it. I think it's
Definitely.
the first song and it's what's fire in Tamil? Tea?
Tea.
Tea.
Tea. Yeah.
I
tea.
think tea.
Mm.
Correct us if we're right. We're wrong. Correct us if we're wrong.
If we're wrong, yeah, you're right. But
Surya, wow.
man, the movie will be beautiful, very beautiful. I can't wait for it.
Yeah, me too.
Oof, Kanguva, man, wow.
Surya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
I want
yeah.
to say his name, his whole name. Saravanan Sivakumar. That's Surya's name.
Really?
Yeah. So
I
happy
thought-
birthday. We
Yeah,
love you
happy
so much.
birthday.
Fire song. We can't wait for the next one.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah. I'm actually loving
Let's do it.
Kanguva and I can't wait for more.
Me too.
And hopefully it will have a bit longer video in it. But until then, we're gonna have to wrap it up. For any recommendation, make sure to drop down a comment below and don't forget to like the video.
And of course, our journey with Surya will definitely continue. So stay tuned for more.